Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I'm coming at you today with just a little garden outside update. Just to let everybody know how it's going. Not too much is happening out there, but definitely some fun things and some updates. And even a little bit in here that I have to maneuver. All right, so I have about half of my indoor sowed seeds have already been transplanted outside. I still have all of my tomatoes and then my beans and peas that I have to put outside hopefully by this weekend. I know peas and stuff don't transplant that well, but I'm going to give it a shot. And then I have a whole bunch of other seeds that I'm going to just sow in ground anyways. So we'll see how it goes. These are all my loofah, so I ended up getting 10 loofah to sprout. All 6 of these ones sprouted, which is awesome, and then 4 of these ones. So I'm going to bring these out hopefully this weekend as well. I'm really hoping for these to work. I know they are slow growers and they need a long season, so I'm not sure if it's going to be the greatest here in Michigan, but we'll try our best. The growing season really did just get started here in my neck of the woods. Our last frost was like, I don't know, a week ago maybe, so we're in the clear now. It's very nice and warm, but I'm just kind of getting started. So this is all that's left to be brought outside. I'll show you the rest of it out there already, and then I think I overdid it, but I literally have like bags of seeds that I just want to plant. So I'm hopefully going to get some good stuff going, and I'll share it with you along the way, but as for now, let's head outside. All right, we are outside now. And I have a lot of work still to do in the yard around here, planting and everything, but I've gotten quite a bit done, and I'm excited to share everything with you. Obviously, things are blooming, looking great. My hostas are coming back up from last year. These tulips didn't do the greatest on my sidewalk here, but still pretty good. Here are the majority of my tulips that did manage to come up. I did lose a lot to predators, but it's still gorgeous, and some of these came from my friend here on YouTube, Penny Nichols, so again, thank you so much for that. Last season, some of them are just so beautiful though. Like, look at the inside, how gorgeous. Look at this little guy over here, and this one is just the absolute best. Look at how big that is. That doesn't look like any tulip I've ever seen, but absolutely gorgeous. And some of them have these little crimped edges. Look how cute. They've like the little frilly edges. Adorable. Just some more updates out here. I got soffit put on underneath my, I don't know what you call that, roof, because birds were getting in, so that was a good thing for me to do. And then I got a whole bunch of plants for free off of Facebook Marketplace from a few different places actually. So now is definitely the time to keep an eye out on Facebook Marketplace and things like that for free plants that people are getting rid of in their garden, in their yard. I just had to go dig them up and they were all free. I got tons and tons and tons of things. So all of this free. We'll see how they do, but for free, you can't beat it. Here's this little shady patch. Got Kippy in there if you can see her. And then all of these ones that I got for $1 at Walmart last year are coming back up. Doing great. The grasses, we'll see how they do. I don't know yet. But, of course, the big exciting news are the chickens are here. I have 7 chickens. They don't really love me, especially when I'm in the coop with them, but they're fine. So I have 3 big white ones, as you can see, 3 littleish black ones, and then this teeny tiny little girl behind, yeah, right there. She's a little tiny girl. But they all seem to be doing great, and they should all be laying at some point over the summer. Sorry if it's a little noisy right now. I haven't named them except for the little one I've been calling Tiny Tim. But they all do great. I'll see their stinkers, but they all go into their coop at night. They like to go underneath it, especially when it's hot or when it's rainy. And yeah, so it's been going great with them. This is their big old run. Going great there. These are some herbs, but they kind of got waterlogged. So I'm not so sure, but these two are growing. I'm not positive on what they are yet, but I will at some point. Working on burning all the brush from the big storms that we had, so I'm still getting through that. Now my potatoes are thriving. These are all potatoes in these buckets. So this one's a little bit smaller, but some of them I need to cover soon, because certain varieties of potatoes you have to cover with dirt and then let them grow again and again and again. So some of them are getting big enough for me to do that with. Back here, I have some greens. These didn't sprout as great as some other things, but still growing, still doing well. I got some blueberry bushes that I'm gonna put in. These I got for free also off Facebook, but they do not seem to like it here, so we'll see if those end up making it. And then I did get this. I found this in the Aldi dumpster. It's a little hanging pot of impatiens. Yes, it does look a little worse for wear, but obviously there's some good new growth, so that should be able to come back for the season. I'm excited about that. This is where I sprouted my greens, my other greens. So I have spinach. I think this is kale, I want to say, and these are mustard greens. I had so much spinach, so I just kept 3 in here. I have to break these ones up also. I don't know. This doesn't really look like kale to me, but maybe I just got to give it another chance. So I have spinach planted literally everywhere. This is all spinach. There's also some onions in here. We'll see how they do. Spinach over there. I planted some asparagus over there to see how it goes for the first few years. These were free. All these nice bushes were free. I have some of my raised garden beds kind of started. I have like cucumbers and melons. Still have a little space in that one. Over here we have some more onions and then some broccoli and cauliflower, which don't look too great. And then I just put some peppers in this one over here. It's just hard because my hose doesn't reach this far, so I definitely need to get another hose to add on. And then in here are some more potatoes. These were the ones that I wasn't sure if they were going to do as well. However, we do have a little sprout right here. And I know this one's kind of growing, so can never have too many potatoes. I have to get this one all situated still, and I have a lot more to bring outside. Again, all spinach, and then all these raspberries I got for free off of Facebook. They don't look the greatest, but hopefully they can do some coming back to life. All these strawberries, as well as like 4 times this amount I got for free, but I'm going to re-dig these up and plant them so they can hang, because they'll do better that way. So that's just where they are for now. And these are all weeds. I did put some flower seed over here, so we'll see how that goes. And then my garlic that I planted in the fall, doing its thing. And then all these nice little weeds. And these bushes I got for free also off Facebook Marketplace. And then let's really quick go check out the trees. All right, so this is my first pear tree. Has the beautiful little blooms. Doing so great. Very, very tall. That one's doing great. This is a new one that I planted. It's a cherry tree. Looks pretty good. Now this is the other pear tree, and it has not bloomed. Google tells me it still has like a week before I should be totally concerned, but I don't know. I mean, it's looked like this. Oh, that's blurry. It's looked like this. Can you guys see that? Okay, well, its buds have looked like that like all season so far, and it's just not doing anything. So I'll give it another week, and if not, I'm going to need to get another pear tree so that they can cross-pollinate and fertilize each other, because I don't want my other one to struggle just because that one is. We have another little cherry tree right here. I hope this isn't too blurry. It might be. And then the apple trees are doing great. The cutest little blooms. Lots of nice leaves. That's one of the apples. This is the other one. This one's a little slower than the other one, it looks like. I might need to get some water out here. But again, that is a process, but I'll do it. The fig tree, again, has not yet bloomed, but I think it will. It has some little buds forming. I don't know why it won't focus. There we go. See, it has those little buds. I think it'll come. Hopefully. And I know somebody commented on one of my other videos a while ago that they were in Florida and their fig tree was already like fruiting. So I'm a little jealous, but hopefully I get there. This is a new peach tree that I planted. The grapes are alive, which is good. Probably won't get anything from them this year, but hopefully at some point, even these ones are alive, which is awesome. This plum tree, the plum trees aren't as bushy as the other trees, but you know, they're growing. We got stuff. We got a little new tiny leaf right there. That's cute. Here's the other plum tree, doing its thing. And then the last one is this patio peach tree, which is just a teeny tiny little peach tree that I got. So hopefully that does something. And I have been told that that tree at my neighbor's house is also a peach tree. So I'm hoping that kind of helps mine. And they also said that it hasn't bloomed and fruited in years, so maybe mine will help theirs also. So that's all of that. Looking back at my house, I just love the little tulip field. Look how cute that is. But yes, that's it for the outside update. I got a lot of work to do. I'm hoping some of my vegetables pull through, and I will of course keep guys updated. But as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with more dumpster diving, house, chicken, home, fun, food, all sorts of videos. Oh, one other thing. I got these hostas in a pack of 100 for $100, but I had some shipping problems, so they sent me another one for free. So now I have 200 hostas that I have to plant. It's just like little individual ones. Well, this one looks like he's got 2, but I'm super excited about that. So I gotta plant a lot of hostas and do a lot of more stuff, and like I said, I'll keep you updated. So again, thank you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.